Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking on a quick video tour of our super rare Saab 93X. So this is our 2011 Saab 93X. It's the twin turbo diesel model with the 6-speed manual. It's done just over 117,000 miles from new. It's had 2 former keepers, has got 10 service stamps in the book. And whilst in our care, we've given it fresh MOT, full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. New discs and pads all round, 2 new front tyres, and done the all-important cam belt and water pump along with the service. It really is a stunning looking car, really, really rare. You really don't see many of these on the road anymore, especially in white and being the X model. Inside, you've got heated leather seats in the front, steering wheel controls, cruise control, AM, FM radio, satellite navigation, air conditioning, all in really good condition for the age and mileage. Good bit of leg room in the back. It's nice having the 2-tone leather too with the white inserts. And a nice practical boot. Quite a good size really. All in all, this is a great looking car. It's clearly been looked after throughout the years. The odd little mark on the paintwork here and there, but nothing for the age and mileage. Super, super rare car. As I say, you don't see this about very often at all. Really striking motor. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.